Senior citizens succumb to injuries in a Runaway Bay car crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A senior citizen died Wednesday morning after his vehicle collided with another on the Runaway Bay main road in St. Anne. The deceased is identified as 79-year-old Leslie Roy Wright of a Discovery Bay address. The Assistant Superintendent Patrick Robinson of the St. Anne's Bay Fire Department said that the brigade was alerted to the crash around 11:30 a.m. Mr. Wright, who was pinned in the vehicle, was eventually removed by the fire department and taken to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. 3 other people involved in the motor vehicle collision were transported to hospital, none with life-threatening injuries. The police are still investigating the cause of the crash. Speaking to reporters, Assistant Superintendent Patrick Robinson had this to say about the crash.
At 11:33 a.m., we received this call of a motor vehicle collision along the Runaway Bay main road. On arrival, we observed 2 vehicles that were involved in the accident. We extricate 1 person from one of the vehicles, a male who was unresponsive. He was removed by the fire department and placed on a stretcher and was removed to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital by the undertaker. Well, we are not able to ascertain what really happened. We only learned that there was a motor vehicle accident and we responded to the call. The police are also on the scene carrying out their investigation.
Try to get out there, brother. No.
Stop like this one. Where we get that speed from? Come like you know.
Man, no man gone out of this. But that man have gone home. Jaja. Human being a try for do a thing. Yeah man, you can't make it.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.